this might be my. I ain't gonna lie, y'all try to switch to just chatting and just talk real quick.
We can. It don't matter.
Yeah. If you want to.
Yeah, I'm taking up games. I ain't gonna lie. Somebody asked me some good questions.
Nah, this picture is crazy though.
I know. You ever throw a football before?
Okay, that is a crazy. That was a crazy statement. That statement was crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. No, I'm not gonna lie to you. Whenever somebody take a picture of you, scan the picture. When I mean scan it, I mean scan it thoroughly. Cause it's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. What they're posting online, like you do realize, annoying. Online is forever. When you die, you will see these pictures. Like at your funeral, at your memorial, they will slideshow through these pictures.
Yo, no, why not your dick so much?
He's crazy.
Oh, yeah,
It's crazy, bro. Whoa, why you had his dick like that? Nah.
Oh my god.
No, you gotta get back. No, you gotta get back.
Nah, no way.
Nah, this nigga is ugly.
You look ugly as fuck.
Nah, Richie.
Trying to see him.
You look like a need to do hibernation, my nigga.
It's just come man, your hair's looking mad.
So this nigga up the pole to your face. What are y'all doing, bro?
Wait, what? If he what?
If he up the pole to you, what are you doing, bro?
I'm not gonna lie, Rat.
Some cheese,
Where's the headband? Where's the headband, Rat? Where's the headband? Get the headband, please. Get the headband.
Yeah, your forehead is crazy. That shit's glistening, boy.
Bro, why didn't y'all get this picture?
This shit glistening.
That's what I'm telling Annoying. That's what I'm telling Annoying. He needs to check when anybody take a pic of him. He needs to scan it. He needs to make sure that is postable. He needs to make sure that is.
He's doing
you niggas are crazy.
Your forehead is so ugly, bro.
Annoying. I want you to listen to me. Whoever posted this is not your man's. Unadd them.
You need to pull your hair down or something. Cause fuck, nigga, that's crazy.
The crazy thing is, it's not just one picture. It's not just one picture. It's two. It's two separate pictures.
It's all
two separate pictures from the same person. So whoever took these pictures,
you're doing it. You're asking for it now. You're asking.
Please don't get another request.
What is that?
Grow out the beard, bro. We're trying to tell you, grow out the beard.
That's annoying. No way. That's just
God, boy, what the fuck?
Snaggy mode.
No way.
Nah, this nigga look crazy, bro. I love you, man.
That's a fat ass hoodie. Oh my gosh.
Wait, it's actually you.
With Adidas.
Annoying is a whole nother shade. He's a whole nother shade.
Hey, so damn ugly.
Hey, you just came straight from Ghana, bro. What the hell?
Yeah, this is crazy.
Annoying, you bleached your skin.
Mad Ghanaian. What the hell?
That nigga had to bleach his skin, bro. That nigga was black, bro.
Yeah, he had to bleach his skin because ain't no fucking way. He had to.
Oh my god.
He had to ask for the Drake special.
Nah,
It's
no,
crazy.
Look at his teeth.
Since he was little, this is
Look at
crazy.
his teeth sticking out.
Fucking Beaver.
Fucking
Beaver.
You got these pictures.
Calm it down, bro. Calm it down.
Bro, Rat is so ugly.
I'm crying, bro.
Say something, bro. Save yourself.
Rat can't see him, bro. Look at him.
Please.
Hey, I'm fucking crying, bro. I'm fucking
Matt, you
crying.
really tried to cover that big ass forehead up.
Got to, bro. He thought that shit was safe,
Yo.
bro.
That visor did not help. That visor did not help.
He tried to his little teeth.
And that nigga in the sun thinking he look
Hey, y'all see that picture I just sent? Nigga, I'm like 1,000. No bitch slid.
Nigga was putting his tongue out.
Please
Oh,
speak.
Matt, you thought you was light skinned? Alright, listen. I'm not gonna lie. Annoying gotta speak. Cause at this point, this is worse than bullying. At this point, this is worse than bullying.
I'm trying to tell him to speak.
This is worse than bullying. Annoying, please say something. Please say hi. Say something. Say. Please say for how long? Say for how long? Say something, bro. Disgusted himself.
That's a good edit.
When the world needed him most, when the world needed him the very least, he showed up. Dick riding, man.
That's fucking crazy.
It's so damn ugly, bro.
Nah. Oh
Listen,
my
if you
God,
want.
bro.
yo, I'm weak.
Yo.
That's really crazy.
Bro,
Trying
keep
to
going, keep going, right, bro. Just keep going down, bro. Just keep going down, bro.
Should her toes.
Those toes
Nah,
is
you
crazy.
niggas are violating.
Open
No,
that
you niggas are
mouth.
violating.
Nah.
This is crazy.
Nah, there's
Oh,
no
nah.
way.
Freaky
Nah,
girls
there's
in
no
me.
way.
Nigga, I'm like,
There's
oh,
no way they
look.
dropped that video on his forehead like that. There's no way. There's no way.
Damn.
How many DMs
No.
Bro, you're going down in history. This is fucking ridiculous.
This is the nigga that be sliding up in girls' DMs with the dolphin, bro. What the fuck, bro?
And this the nigga that be playing 21 questions in DMs. Oh my god.
Oh no.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
Oh,
Yo, you gotta say something, bro. Like,
This is on the 40-year gamer rewatch 24/7.
I'm feeling it for you, bro. Say something.
Please,
Oh my god, bro.
annoying. This just shows you. This just shows you, bro. The internet is forever, bro. The internet is forever, bro. The internet is forever, bro.
Deep
It's
fried
forever.
picture
You
from
gonna show your kids this though?
Nah,
This
nigga, lie,
is
bro.
bad,
Nah. Nigga, his forehead
Whoa,
is
what the
cipher
fed
video.
Oh no, now you niggas are getting fed. Delete that. What the fuck?
Down.
Is that an AR?
Yo,
Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Hold on.
What are y'all talking about? What are y'all talking about? What are
Yeah,
y'all talking
delete
about?
that.
No,
It's
no,
gone.
no.
It's gone. It's gone.
Hey, Mario does not condone it.
What the fuck? What the fuck
Why
is
is
this?
it so damn ugly, bro?
they put that nigga on a no.
That nigga annoying, just so goddamn fucking.
Right, you an ugly ass nigga, bro.
Like it.
Yo.
Ain't gonna lie.
No, really, what was going through your head when you
This
did
nigga's
bro? That
playing
is
with
crazy.
toes, bro.
Nigga playing
This
his
thing
feet,
is
bro.
so.
He playing with his feet.
I tried to give him the benefit of the doubt. Fuck that.
That nigga's like, damn, can I put one in my mouth, bro?
What?
Oh, what?
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 Oh, what did you just say, bro?
No, you gotta get your get back.
Bro.
You see her face, bro? She feels bad for you, bro. Like,
Oh my god, not
Oh my
that
god,
way.
no. Yo, why did he
Like
take
somebody
that
pop
photo?
up.
You ugly as shit. Nah, fuck that. Fuck that, bro. You are so
Where do
ugly.
people get these pictures from? Like,
Oh.
Yeah, I don't understand. Where do you have these pictures? Like, what the fuck?
Like, no, you took that photo yourself, and that is crazy. You went to the dentist, let them play in your mouth like that, and you took that photo. You are crazy as fuck.
it's a cipher. Look at the background.
What you mean play your mouth like that, gang? What you mean by that?
hey,
What you mean by
Lost
that?
me. You lost me with that. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh hell no! Not the green screen.
Don't grow out your beard annoying. That shit's crazy.
Annoying. This is
he got the two Taylor.
this is RNH. This is RNH. Wait, no. Dang, while you're on that photo, I wanted to ask: were those tears real? Be honest with me, please.
Hell nah, they would.
It's not real, bro.
Those tears real? No fucking
I
is.
want to lock, bro. This one was fake crying.
Be honest with me. Did you put some eye drops? Did you put some eye drops in your eyes? Be honest with me, please.
You would never convince me that crying was real, bro. You the same nigga that stitched the nigga for a sleeve, bro.
Why didn't you make a crying video when X got banned?
Yo.
Oh nah, that's mad feral. Oh nah, that's crazy.
Nah, what's up? What's crazy?
Yo, annoying, bro. Ain't no way he's playing 6, bro.
What the fuck
Bro,
is
what is
that?
this video, bro?
Ew.
Oh, bro, why are you?
That is legit. Hey, yo, look at that shit.
I got
Why is he
released the thing for the
dancing
5
to
gifted.
that?
Y'all still at the W.
Abuse.
Annoying, you gotta get
Lie.
back, bro.
With all this money, you gotta pay for a stylist, bro. This is unacceptable.
Bro, look at your
This is
That nigga-
crazy, bro.
That nigga gotta do something else, bro.
Bro, like this fit, I don't know who was your friends at this time, but block them all. I want you to block them all right
Those
now.
niggas are lying to you, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Those are not your friends. Those are not your friends. All red fit. All red fit.
Oh no! I ain't gonna lie. That
Wicked.
fake
Demon
jersey
emoji
is
got it.
crazy.
He's rude.
That fake jersey is crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
All he wore was bait, bro. All he wore was
No. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
No, I think versus the Miris, bro.
That's your best pick so far. I don't know anyway.
A fake jersey is
Whoever
crazy.
just said that, ban him. Whoever just said
That's
that.
your best pick so far.
That nigga swears to God, bro.
Oh my god! No, that fake jersey's crazy. Oh my god! Oh my god.
These niggas are out of
This where's the mirrors, bro? This nigga's so damn ugly, bro.
Nah, Ray, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You date a ugly ass nigga, bro.
Like,
No, they put Supreme got it, bro. You are.
I'm not gonna lie. I feel bad because he's just not talking. He's just silent. He's silent. Like, I feel bad. Like I need him to just talk. I need him to say, "Hey guys," like I need him to say something. You know, like I need him to say, "I'm rich and you're not." Like I need him to say five. Like I need him to say something, bro.
5K, my baby.
You gotta say. I need him to say for the rainy days.
Please, man, do something. Like
For the rainy days.
please.
I need him to say, "Can't you tell these VVVs?" Like I need to hear something. Like I don't know what to tell. I just need to hear something, bro.
Bro, like call us broke or something, please, bro. Do something.
I'm not gonna lie though. At least he looks happy, man. At least Annoying looks happy in most of these.
Look how long Nah. He looks. Nah, I go on, bro.
Somebody said,
Hey, that rolling out photo is crazy.
Nah, the face that's on stream right now is what I imagined him when he just saw all them people pull up at the party. He saw all the people pull up at the party.
When DDG put him on him, that's the face he was making, bro.
Hey, that nigga was making that face and he didn't say DDG's car.
Nigga ran down them stairs fast as fuck. Nigga said, was I running to the car? Was I running to the car? Was running to the Uber?
Where the car at?
Nigga was running to that Uber. Okay.
Where's the Uber? Where's the Uber?
Yo, Silky, answer your phone.
Silky, save me. Mr. Wu.
Nah, this is crazy.
Jerry. Really crazy. Really how he was looking at City.
That nigga lotion in your head, bro?
I'm crying, bro.
No, that last one was crazy.
I hope that's
No
lotion,
way,
bro.
no way, no way. No way he did that to
I
himself.
hope
No way
that
he
is
did that to
lotion.
himself.
Is that lotion?
What is that?
Oh, what is that in his hair, bro? Yo, what the fuck?
Hey, yo.
no, that picture is crazy, bro. What is this nigga?
Go down.
Hey, Mario, please go down, please.
Mario, you gotta go down, bro. You gotta skip all these pictures. Keep going.
Lotion?
Keep going. You gotta keep going. Keep scrolling.
Watch that video, no way. No, watch that video, no way. Watch that video.
What is that in your hair, bro?
Bro, what is
What is that, bro? What is that in your hair, bro?
Nigga got jizz in his hair, bro.
Bro, what is that in his hair, bro? You are an ugly ass nigga, bro. Fuck that, bro.
bro? Like,
Bro, is that what Vayred woke up to?
No, that was crazy.
No,
That was crazy. That was crazy. That was crazy. That was crazy. Dave was crazy. I'm not gonna
Oh
lie.
my god, bro. No wonder why I
There's no way there. There's just no way.
I'm not gonna lie. No, is this what you mean when you say
I
come
understand
on,
why you
man?
got them nasty ass
That's
videos.
crazy.
Bro,
That
look
long
at this.
bitch, you niggas some extended
Oh,
beat,
that little,
man.
now you know you dead wrong
Yeah,
from
yeah.
that man bun, nigga.
Yo, annoying, go watch that video, man. Go real quick.
yo, he looked like
Go, no, annoying, go.
This nigga really try to put his shit in a
What?
man bun. Oh my god. Oh, this nigga's
Oh,
like this.
man.
Not gonna lie, Rat, you look crazy good with the beard. You need to get that beard back, nigga.
No, that pick with Namir ain't bad. That pick with
Yeah, that pick when I'm married bad. You look
I fight
kind
with that,
of
I fight with
weird.
that.
What does Annoying need to do to get cuter? What does he need to
He
do
need
to
to
get
go
a
back
glow
to
up?
That nigga ugly as fuck.
Alright.
Need to trim
That
your hair, bro.
nigga need to put 5K in some other ways, bruh.
He needs to start searching for new talents.
Nah, this picture's
Yo,
crazy.
what?
No, that picture's crazy. You niggas
yeah.
should
Nigga wanna be
that
seen with your
picture's
ugly ass,
crazy.
bro.
Bro, you look like Goofy.
Yo, she didn't want to see. She didn't want to be
She
seen.
didn't want to be seen. She said no face, no face.
Yo.
That's what Vayred should have did.
Yeah, right. I see you, right?
Yeah, she said he's too ugly. I can't be seen with him in bed. What the fuck?
It's crazy. Y'all is crazy. Y'all is crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Y'all is crazy.
No, that got it, bro.
Bro, that makes sense why that nigga hair never grew. girl, bro. They got
Yo, Rat, go down. Yo, Rat, go down, bro. Go down real quick, bro.
I just need Annoying to talk. I need him to speak, bro. This is crazy.
I'm fucking crying, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. At least you got the chain in the Cartier, bro. Because I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Bro,
K-pop
is crazy.
Hey, if you don't let them bitches wear the ice, you not getting the pussy.
Yo, watch that video. Yeah, no, watch that video, Annoying. Watch that video. Watch that video.
No, don't skip it. Don't skip it.
Don't skip. Watch that video. Watch that video. Watch that video, Annoying. Watch that video. Watch that video. This is you, bro. This is you.
No, the one below. Oh,
Nah, watch the first video. Watch the first video.
The picture below it.
Bro, nah, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I think it's pushing 40, bro. This man's pushing 40, bro.
This is crazy.
This is a midlife crisis, bro.
This is not RNH. This is just bullying.
This is not nation, bro.
This is not nation. This is Rat Nation, bro.
This is not nation, bro. Nation does not claim you.
Gosh, bro.
All right, Mario, we done, bro. We sorry.
Yeah, we're done, bro.
I'm not sorry, my nigga. You are just ugly,
bro. We playing.
You know what? I've always wondered, like, how do people get cyberbullied? I just seen it. I've just seen cyberbullying. This is crazy. And they say you can turn it off. Like, he didn't turn it off once. He just took there. He just stood there and took it. He just looked through all the pictures. He scrolled and stared at the pictures, bro.
Bro, that last fucking picture is crazy.
And back to where we all started. Oh my goodness.
Why are you biting your lips like that, nigga?
No. The video I put it right there at the end, bro. Annoying actually look clean in that one, bro. Or at the bottom. I think it actually look clean, so.
Nah, bro.
Bro, that forehead is just crazy.
No one can't go.
No, he actually look clean as fuck.
Someone calling him ugly, bro.
Wait, does he have grills right there?
Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah, that
nigga shining, nigga.
Yo, those grills.
That nigga's stunning, bro.
Not gonna lie. Find those girls quick.
Wait, Coke, what you said, Coke?
Bro, those grills look like 10 for, bro. Them bitches. That was the worst purchase I ever.
No, those grills were fucking awful.
Bro, those shits literally.
Okay, if you don't mind me asking, how much did he spend on them grills? How much?
I don't know, bro.
Didn't the jeweler like lend them to
He got rid of them before I met that nigga, but oh my god, I would have clowned the fuck out of him.
Shiny rat.
Nah, cargo shorts at the gym is crazy.
Cargo shorts and forces at the gym is the most wickedest thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
He is a demon. He is a demon, bro.
Ankle socks, shorts that are for a wife beater. What is you holding in your hand? This is unacceptable.
Yo. I just want to say, Annoying, you are chopped, bro. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Hey, you know how you gotta check into the gym right before you even go into the the play basketball and shit. I know they were looking at that nigga crazy as fuck. Like, bro,
That's crazy.
I'm not gonna lie, there has to be a god, because if Annoying was not rich, bro, holy, bro. If Annoying was not rich, this is crazy, bro.
Like, why are you at the gym with cargo shorts, bro? Like, what is going on? Like,
what do you do with your lips at the bottom, bro?
And forces.
What is?
You look like somebody's uncle.
Yo, go down, Annoying. Go down, Annoying.
What is this face,
bro?
Please say something. No,
look, when he's sitting down with that babe jersey, he look crazy.
What are you staring at?
What's she looking at? Why is she looking at?
Yeah, how many times you wear that jersey?
Who's you
That jersey, fuck out.
Wore that jersey so much.
Jesus,
Pictures already.
He wore that shit like a football jersey. Oh
Bro, like, this picture is wow, boy. You like a mutant. You look mutated. You don't even look human.
He look like an NPC, bro. I'm telling you, bro. He does not look real, bro.
He look like he got a fake face skin. This is ridiculous.
And he like he got the Taz face.
Hey, nah, he do like he got the Taz face. Hey.
Haynes, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, like, no cap. This nigga's face should be TOS, bro. No cap. I know.
That nigga needs to get banned, bro. That nigga needs to get off of this shit, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, earrings not saving you either, nigga.
Oh no, maybe if you got earrings, I ain't gonna lie, it'll probably.
Hell no, not saving that nigga. No, it's not saving. It's not saving, but it'll
He
definitely
is
do
not
like
savable, bro. You cannot save this, bro. I'm sorry.
anybody's savable. I think anybody's savable. Anybody's savable.
No, what are you doing with your lips? Like, what you doing with your tongue in that picture, bro? Like, what are you doing, bro?
Oh my God.
Go over, bro. What is that picture, bro?
Bro, that nigga got chompers.
Oh my God!
Annoying. There's no way, bro.
That was no way.
All the hoes on
There's no way.
You were getting no hoes on Kick with that one. No hoes.
No
You were not
way,
getting
bro.
any hoes on Facebook with that.
No way.
Yo.
Rat, be honest with me. You were catfishing on Kick, weren't you? Be honest with me.
Right up with the 21 questions.
Gotta show they care, nigga. I ain't this.
Academics in the top left.
Yo, bro. No, I'm crying, bro. I'm fucking crying.
On the hoverboard is crazy, bro. This is wicked. This is so
he
wicked.
thought he was flexing with that.
You look like a
he thought he
retarded little
was
dirt. You look like a retarded little dirt.
I'm not gonna lie, that is crazy.
Forever 21 jeans.
Thrasher hoodie.
Cartier for all the times that we was broke.
Nigga said Ferragamo don't fit.
That little ass belt buckle.
The real question is, whose room are you in? Whose house is this? Like, what? Like, look at them covers. Like, look at them bed sheets. Whose room is this?
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's a crazy background.
You don't disrespect UK drip. That is
You
not
could
UK,
at least
bro.
went outside for that photo or something, bro. Like,
oh my God, bro.
See what you don't claim Houston, right? This is crazy.
You look half decent.
I'm saying if your hair was straight, this would not be a bad pick. I'm not gonna lie.
If he had waves, it wouldn't be a bad pick. Let's not lie.
I don't know.
That nigga's head, bro.
It's not that with waves is crazy.
yeah, rap with waves is kind of crazy.
You see his head, bro? Exactly.
Somebody make the edit. Somebody make the edit. We'll see.
It's not gonna be crispy, bro.
Come on, man.
That shit is
They'll
not
be
gonna
swimming.
Swimming
Swimming rats. Whoa, this photo is insane.
No, that last photo.
Nigga, this is worse than Bruce's pick with the little four little niggas. This is horrendous.
You niggas are crazy.
Wait, is that her butt?
He was on the Chromebook.
No, that nigga took them photos. Bro,
Is this photo booth? Is this photo booth? What is this? What are these filters?
Little rat nigga is crazy. Oh my God.
He got it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Yeah, she look like a Minnie Mouse. What the fuck?
That bottom one needs to be emo. I'm not gonna lie, that bottom one needs to be emo. Please take that as an emo.
She look like a Minnie Mouse. Like, what the fuck?
Yo.
This nigga, I'm not gonna lie, but this nigga was way too old to be wearing trash.
Yo.
Way too old to be wearing trash.
What's wrong with Thrasher though? Nah, hold on. What's wrong with that shit? Thrasher.
That nigga was 30 wearing
No, bro.
Did I just hear what's wrong with Thrasher?
Bro, this nigga
Thrasher is crazy, gang.
No, Thrasher is crazy.
Flexing on Mercedes with Thrasher is crazy.
You should not have no Thrasher in your closet, bro.
You
I'm not
should not
gonna lie
have
to you.
no Thrasher in your, you feel me, word.
No, this is crazy, rat. How do you have a picture of yourself on the internet from this young? How?
Do you see this nigga's head, bro?
Who? Like, where are they? I'm not gonna lie.
This nigga's head is crazy, bro.
Annoying. Who was in contact with your moms? Because there's just no way that they're pulling pictures from your childhood like this. There's no way. Like, they are pulling pictures from your childhood, bro. This is crazy.
I would just grip his head and
This nigga's head is filter, bro. That nigga's head is too fucking heavy, bro.
Nigga said this, yo, nigga in the test of that pic from the 80s.
Nah, your hairline was way back from early age.
Niggas is saying they cut the muzzle you as a child.
Oh, no.
This is annoying.
What is this?
What the fuck?
Oh, nigga just did such annoying and loose at the same time. Oh, no.
Nah, I wonder where you would be without money, bro.
Wait, what is this?
I'm telling you, God has to be real. Because if Annoying was not famous and rich, where would he be at?
I don't know what your life would look like without money, bro. Like, oh my god.
I know it. Scroll down, bro. That pic is crazy. Scroll down to the bottom, all the way to the bottom.
Shit, hell no, teeth.
Why the fuck does your hair go like that, bro? Like in the front, like.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie, real talk. You should get like gum surgery, bro. Your gums is crazy. Like, no. All jokes aside. Like I'm being so dead serious.
Bro, Mario,
nah, this nigga gums is fat as fuck.
Your gums is crazy, bro. Like no, all jokes aside, bro.
Bro, he can sniff the cheeks, bro.
You need some gum reduction, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. You need something, nigga.
Nah, like, please say something, my nigga. Like.
25% teeth, 75 gums.
Bro, he has not been talking ever since he left Crab Games, bro. This is crazy, bro. He has not been talking. All he's been doing is scrolling through these pictures. I have not heard one word about There's been gifts, there's been subs, there have been donations, and he has not thanked any of them. He is not talking. He is on mute. He is on mute.
Hey, this nigga eyes popping out the socket.
Tell him cam up Mario.
I'll comment.
Nah, silky hairline is crazy.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Cam up.
Oh my
I did literally have to put back on my camera.
We can't even turn on our cameras in the channel. We can't even turn them on.
This nigga is 30.
That's right. We literally can't.
Dead ass 40 getting mad, bro. What the fuck?
Ricky said this is why I'm DEO.
How you talking, bro?
Nah, that got it. What the
Hey, Mario, scroll down one, bro.
Annoying. Turn on the cams. Turn on the access for cams in this channel. I don't know why it's off.
It's so fucking
edit the rolls so they can turn their cams on, please.
You are an ugly ass nigga, bro.
This
Who was you
nigga's
looking at here, man? What the hell?
Ugly, bro. This nigga gets no bitches, bro.
Anybody trying to lock that everybody in this car look better than this nigga, bro?
I'll lock any amount, bro.
Whoa, locking any amount is crazy, bro. I'm not gonna let you.
Any amount is wild. I'm not gonna lie.
Any amount is crazy.
Any amount.
Yo, you got a picture on your head,
bro. How is your beard unshaved, bro? What the fuck, bro?
I'm not gonna lie, Annoying. I think you need to take the Bruce fashion route, bro. Cause like, stop dressing like Silky, bro.
It would not look good on him.
What?
It would not look good on him.
You know why it won't look good on him? You know why it won't look good on him? Because his hair. If he changes up his hair and he start wearing fitteds or something, bro, I swear on everything he can pull off some good fits.
Yeah.
It's his hair that throws you off because he can be wearing a good fit and then he's smiling and his hair looks like ratworms.
Bro, his head is crazy.
Bro, literally, it's just the front of his hair. It's just the front, bro. Like the front of his hair looks crazy, bro.
But that's why he wears a do-rag. But that's why he wears a do-rag. He realizes.
I know you should cut your hair off and just wear a do-rag 24/7.
Oh my god!
Do what Silky does.
Genius.
Do what Silky does. Because Silky's head is cruised.
Don't cut your hair.
Silky's head is cruised. No, bro, you need it, bro. You need it.
Rat will look crazy.
Have you seen this nigga's head?
Exactly, bro.
Listen.
Rat and a do-rag will look ugly as fuck.
Listen, when Silky takes off the do-rag, he goes from Silky to Young Silk. It is crazy.
Nah, that is crazy.
That's crazy.
Rodents.
He look just like her, bro. Oh, God.
As soon as Silky take off his do-rag, he is not sectioned nowhere. He go nowhere, bro. He's
Nah, them goggles got it, bro. Them goggles got it.
Everybody do a face reveal now.
Wait, we can do it?
But we can't turn our cameras on.
He still can't turn on the cameras, bro.
I don't got permission, bro.
Coke.
Yo,
Get these niggas permission.
Give us permission, Coke.
You can't have this many people in the call and turn on cameras.
No. There's just no roles.
Bro.
Hey, delete that photo.
Nigga,
delete that photo. Delete that photo.
And I have every role.
Yeah, I gotta delete that photo. That look kind of.
Hey, Coke, delete that last photo, bro.
Nah, what in the Fed?
What the fuck?
Nah, for real, bro.
Imagine getting shot by that nigga.
That's what I said earlier. Like
that's how we started this conversation. I'm not gonna lie. We literally talked about getting robbed by Rat and how that's
Yo,
gonna be
Coke,
impossible.
why are you talking about you like that?
Hey, Coke, I have a question, Coke.
Hey,
So, Coke,
though, right?
if Rat was to try and rob you, what would you do? Like,
Bro,
Can I take a nigga? Can I take a nigga serious like that? Look like this, bro. Like,
Oh,
bro, if I get robbed by a nigga who's shorter than me, looks like that with glasses, bro.
The nigga pokes his teeth out and laugh.
Let's be honest. If Annoying was taller, it wouldn't do him any justice.
No, it wouldn't. It really wouldn't.
I mean, with women maybe, but not with
crazier.
niggas.
No, he would look even crazier. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but you just said it's crazy. But I'm gonna let it.
Yeah. What you just said is
Annoying, bro. Annoying.
That
All
was
you guys
crazy.
do-
Niggas, that was crazy.
No, you are gay, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
How is that gay, bro? When you like Mario, you gotta be open to both options, bro.
No way.
Wow.
This nigga just called you so ugly. You need two options.
Stop. I can lock any amount that Mario. I can lock any amount that Mario will never, never, ever be able to lock anything with a gay dude, bro. I can lock anything, bro. Like,
Hey, yo, man.
Bro, what did you lock?
They dick fucking Coke in the chat. I ain't gonna lie.
Yo.